So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Subex share. So as we discussed earlier about the complete technical levels followed by the quarter result, we have seen the stock has given some very good momentum in the recent times after whatever the correction it has showed after posting the numbers. So now a little bit of retesting is happening in this particular stock both in weekly and daily chart. So we'll try to do the complete technical analysis and we'll see what can be the best levels that we need to watch out for the coming sessions. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and most importantly do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for swing trading. So I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so first if we try to discuss about Subex on weekly chart time frame, so we can see this was the particular channel that the stock recently, when it has come down again, it has formed a doji type of candle, so which obviously signifies trend reversal, and again we have seen a big green candle. So now again the stock is trying to test the 50 rupees level, which is a very strong support, and if it retests and if it respects that, obviously we may see some quick reversal in the stock and it may proceed towards the 57.5 rupees level. So what is that important support? 50 rupees is going to be important support that you need to keep in radar. All right. So next, if we try to observe the money flow index, it is around 53. So from the oversold region, how the stock used to show earlier, so it has retraced a little bit and it has come to the 53 region. So obeying that 50 is going to be very important, so keep that in radar. So for people who are holding this particular stock since many days and who have done the fresh entry, so once it respects that 50, as I told, it will show a quick reversal and move towards 57 rupees level. Okay, so next moving further towards daily chart. So in daily chart, clearly we can observe the stock once has formed an inverted type of candle on the third day of back-to-back momentum. So obviously when a stock is giving 25% return in just 3 to 4 days, so obviously little correction would be expected, and you can see it has slightly come below the 50-day exponential moving average, but nevertheless still the stock is trading above the most important support region of 50 rupees. So still it has a very good chance that if it breaks that 50, we have the next support around 46.67, which is going to be the 200-day exponential moving average. So the stock is having some very good supports, so make sure you're following these supports, and if the stock gives some very good reversal, as I told, first it will try to approach the 57, which is the swing high, or we can say the channel high, where the stock earlier has faced a little bit of resistance. So keep these levels in radar. So any further questions you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.